For over 40 years, Rainbow Restoration has always been there to help. When fire, water, mold, or other emergencies happen to your home or business, or when you need expert cleaning services, from carpets to large commercial and manufacturing facilities, our clients trust us because we have the highest quality standards of our Done Right promise. It's not done until it's done right. With over 400 locations and our strategic large loss partnerships, we are the only call you ever need to make. From the smallest emergency to the largest disaster, you can rely on Rainbow Restoration for your solution. Restoration begins now.